Now, I know I said on my channel I wasn't going to do empties anymore, but I figured, you know what? I've actually been accumulating all these products and I decided, let's do some beauty speed reviews. Yes, it's basically an empties, except I'm going to try to go a little bit faster if I would repurchase or not. Let's go. Oribe shampoo and conditioner. My hairstylist has put me on this. It has definitely helped my hair since it being dyed. I have a bunch of updates for my hair, but I have been repurchasing this. It makes my hair nice and soft, doesn't weigh it down, and it's actually worth the money because these are pricey. When I first started using Oribe, I started grabbing the little mini sets until I graduated into the larger set. So yes, I love these. The mask and the conditioner. I have a whole update that I'm going to do on my hair because I took out my hand-tied extensions. Evian facial spray. Do you need it? No. Is it luxurious and a little bit of a bougie purchase? Yes. So it just makes my day. Just to spray this over my face, it would literally just make me so happy. Plus, when you just want a little bit of moisture, you know, and it just kind of makes you feel like that it girl. A Beautiful Day from Bath & Body Works, one of my favorite scents. You can't go wrong. Nice and fresh, not too strong. Derma E Anti-Wrinkle Toner. This is probably like my third bottle. I love their toners. They never disappoint me. Nice, light, doesn't strip my face, and perfect for every day. It Cosmetics Beauty Sleep was not used by me. It was actually used by Glenn, who is my husband in case you don't know, and he really loved it. I asked him for his review. He thought it was lightweight, perfect for every day, and it wasn't too thick in his opinion. Tula Skin Sugar Scrub was one of my favorites, and this is actually one of their limited edition scents, and it's strawberry lemonade. I would totally purchase this. They sent this one, and I would get it on my own. It's nice and lightweight, and it's not too harsh on the skin. Love this one. If you can find it, get this. It smells amazing. Now, I feel like Origins is not hyped up at all, and no one really talks about it or uses it, at least so I personally watch, but I absolutely love their vitamins. Also, if you ever get a chance to try out their ginseng line, those are amazing as well, the eye cream and the daily cream. But yep, try this one out for nighttime. And whenever I apply it, I just feel like it's just so refreshing to the face. Chlorine Dry Shampoo is my holy grail. I'm not sure why they don't carry it in Sephora anymore. I'm really sad that I can't get it during the sale, so now I purchase it on Amazon. But if you ever need a dry shampoo that's not gonna weigh down your hair and you don't need a lot and it doesn't give a crazy white cast, this is it. I get the Ultra Gentle, and that's what I used today. And my hair was a greasy mess, and look at it. I just did a couple sprays. Check out my TikTok. I did a whole demo. Elemis Pro Collagen Makeup Removing Balm. This one is definitely heavy duty and thick. Now, if you're not used to really emollient makeup removers, you're not going to enjoy this. I thought it worked really well on my really heavy duty waterproof mascara, so I definitely do like it. It does have a scent. I kind of wish it didn't. I'm going to look into seeing if they have one without one. The only thing is that this is very pricey. Can you find a different one? Yeah. And the one I'm about to be done with, and I might as well show you, is this one. And it's the Sephora Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover. I love this for my eyes, and I also use it around my face. And I will tell you how much I love it. I love it so much, I already have a backup. Tarte Lights Camera Splashes used to be my holy grail, and after using it for so many years, I just found better alternatives. This is very hard to get off. It is honestly pretty frustrating because you will think you take it all the way off, and the next morning you will still find some nitty-gritty in your eyes. And I feel like it was definitely ripping out some of my natural lashes. Not like naturally when they fall on their own, like it was helping aid the process. So no longer a holy grail. My favorite one is Buxom Waterproof right now, or an affordable is Essence Lash Princess. Touchland is my favorite hand sanitizer if I had to be choosy. Definitely this. Any scent, my favorite is aloe and also watermelon. It Cosmetics Wrinkle Reducing Daily Retinol Serum in a Cream. Love this one because it wasn't too harsh, especially if you're just starting off with retinol. I felt like this was very mild, so it's good for people who are just getting into retinol. I don't like a lot of things from Tarte Cosmetics, but the Man Eater mascara really agreed with my eyelashes and I enjoyed it. L'Oreal Brow Stylist, you already know. I've been talking about this for years. Holy grail. I already mentioned what replaced my Lights Camera Splashes, and it is this, and I need to get another one. Whenever I walk into Sephora, it is always sold out, and I just happen to have another one. Like I said, Buxom Waterproof Mascara is one of my favorites, and I went through one and I already have a backup. It Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream is one of my favorites. I feel like whenever my under eye is super dry, whenever I go back to this, it just brings life and just plumpness back to my skin. Highly recommend this one. Worth the money. When I want my makeup to last, Charlotte Tilbury is definitely my number one. This is probably one of their top products. I'm someone where I sweat. I have an oily T-zone. I touch my face a lot. I got 2 of these in a duo set. So if you ever find like a value set during Christmas time or when they release some randomly within the year, grab it. It's worth it. And not a product that I went through, but definitely a product I would never ever suggest is one that I found on TikTok, and it's from Amazon. And I'm someone where I love putting Sweet Sweat underneath my chin, which I know I definitely finished one of those products, but I didn't save it. But I wanted to try something else that was recommended, and this burned the crap out of my skin. And it's the Honeydew Hot Cream Ultra Moisturizing. I would never recommend this to anybody. My whole entire chest and neck ended up inflamed, and that has never happened to me with Sweet Sweat. Just go for that stuff. It's worth it. I've never had any issues. And there's coconut oil, so you can even just use that. But yeah, just don't try this. It was the worst experience. And that is it for my speed reviews. Not too long of a video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And let me know if you guys prefer this instead of doing like a long empties, because I feel like those get so boring. And I just want to get straight to the point. So I think this definitely did that, right? Don't you think? All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Love you, Pineapple. Whoop!